Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add any website as a shortcut icon on a home screen on a Nokia C32. And to do this we'll need to open our browser, Google Chrome, then find the website that you want to add as a shortcut. Here, click on the arrow pointing up button or three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select Add to Home Screen. Name your icon however you like. When it's ready, click on Add. And then we can go back to our home screen and it should be added to the last available space. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.